Oh my, those are nice. They're just shooting out fire, and then
Fireworks are getting
explode.
better. I haven't noticed some of these before.
This guy,
Yeah.
each one of these is like $50 firework. Each one he's shooting off.
Oh yeah, it looks like it.
Well, we almost got a $50 one. It was a 35 shot. It was $50. The 30 shot was 45. We ended up buying a 25 shot for 30.
That's the finale. That's the expensive one. That's going to be the finale.
Yeah. The $30, the box, $30. But I was thinking of getting the bigger box at 35, but for 15. This is kind of a better deal. The 25. Then we buy the other stuff with it, so we got other stuff too. Yeah, it's been about 50 total. So we got a couple of golden Roman candles, gold ones, and cherry bombs.
Can't wait for the schoolhouse.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Don't even worry about it, Straka.
4
It's gonna
cherry
be
bombs.
sweet.
Yeah, 4 cherry bombs at the schoolhouse.
Oh, they're not disappointing tonight.
No.
And I'm glad it's this mansion and not the one in the corner.
We'll see it.
Glad it's not the other guys.
Did we ever see fireworks from the big mansion? Maybe the trees have grown. I think.
Yeah.
The trees.
I swear they have because we used to see them.
I know. I think the trees
I
have
think
just
that
grown.
the trees are on the side. Maybe
But they've grown. These trees have grown, so they weren't. They were lower. We saw them before. Like our trees have grown. I mean that one there is growing a lot.
Yeah.
Between us and Keith.
trees grow.
I know.
Yeah,
I know,
that's what
I
they
know.
do.
I know.
Yeah, Ontario Place, more fireworks. I don't care about Ontario Place.
I wonder if Justin at the concert tonight whether they would have.
Oh, they would have.
fireworks, yeah.
I'm sure they would. They're at Ontario Place.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, wow.
That filled the whole sky, man.
That was a sweet finale for that one.
Yeah.
No chance.
I remember
that-
going down.
One more time!
I remember going down when I was at
20 more times. 100. Never stop. Never stop. Never stop. And across the bay. Way across. Oh, sweet.
Wow.
I think this is what we have 5 times 5.
You got nothing like this.
No, we might have the 5 times 5.
No, we got 5 times 5, but there's no chance ours is that.
No, I'm not saying that good, but I'm saying that type of style. 5 going off at one time. 5
Possibly.
times 5.
And burst in the air as well.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see what they're. I hope so. I hope they're like. I hope they're pretty decent. Oh my! Don't stop on these.
That's a 7. There was a 7 by 5 too, which was the $50 one was 7 by 5. So that's a $50 one.
What, 7 shots 5 times?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's what it was. That's a $50 one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been.
Yeah,
it.
that's the one I was gonna buy.
Well,
7 by
each
5.
one they're
About a
shooting
5 by
off is
5.
about a
instead.
$50 one, I think. Oh, they're up there.
Yeah, well, I got the 5 by 5. The other one before was 5. It was 5 by 5, so it was cheaper. But
Should be pretty decent.
yeah, I think the 5 by 5 compared to 7 by 5 is not much different. I mean,
This is a cheaper one.
yeah, but you don't really notice as much different. It's the number of times they go.
Well, it doesn't go as high, obviously.
This one's
Yeah,
the one
maybe-
that's
maybe-
high,
maybe
yeah.
not as high.
Burst like the
Yeah. That is the shorter one.
It's still probably $35.
Yeah.
Could be.
So we got got to figure out what that flying fish is there.
Maybe they have a couple. Just see a fish pop out of the air, like, who even knows what that is?
Well, we asked the one guy who knew what he was doing fireworks, and he told us all about it. And I said, "Well, do you know what this flying fish is?" He said, "No, I don't know what it is." Well, we're not buying it. If you don't even know what the flying fish is, and you know the fireworks, we're not buying it. And he didn't buy it either.
What was it supposed to do? What did it say?
It just said
I didn't think this is finishing with a flying fish.
finishing with a flying fish. Who knows what that is? Oh, nice.
A swirl or something, or a
Nice.
curve or something, like a dolphin. I don't know. Like it finishes with the flying fish.
Nice. These are sweet.
And these are good because they're all different. It's not all the same thing that comes up.
Yeah.
These are the expensive ones because they're all different each.
You want a little mix in there.
Yeah, it's not the same thing. Cross it, looks like he was lighting it.
Where's the wick? Where's the wick?
You can't find it?
Come on. He's laughing.
I
at
got
them.
light.
Nice. These ones are so sweet.
Looks like a fire's gone out.
Uh,
I put some wood on it when we went by. We could have started again.
I go like 9 minutes straight of fireworks here on my camera.
I've heard my wife's movie. Ted. Once the fireworks show's over.
Who knows when it's gonna be over?
Oh,
Oh my, that was bad.
I was hurting for that. I really was.
It's fine. Oh, that was a nice end to that. No chance that's finale. We want more.
You call that a finale?
What is that?
Or was he saying finale's next?
He was saying that was the
That was the
finale of
finale?
that, but
I don't
maybe
think it was. I think they got another
it
one.
better not have been the finale.
I think he was drunk talking. He wasn't the owner. He wasn't in charge.
He wasn't in charge.
You think that was the finale? Hey, where do you see this?
Wait till you see this. I just came back from Drug City.
There he goes. See,
Yeah.
He's still going.
These are sweet. Oh, nice. Solid 10 plus minutes straight of fireworks.
That's the finale, I think.
No.
Well, they were talking about it.
I don't think so. I think they got one big, huge one like that. That was just like an average one.
Yeah.
That was even the best one so far. They bled up.
Yeah, they've been, no,
Yeah.
I thought those streamer ones were pretty nice. Those ones that were
Spiral,
streaming.
the spiral
Yeah,
ones.
like those were streamer spirals, which are nice as well.
Yeah. Those, I think those are the best.
Those were pretty nice.
I've never
as well.
seen it like that, the spiral like that.
Yeah, me neither.
I've never seen that
I've
before.
never seen that. Oh, come on.
Is that the same song?
No.
It's different.
Could have been, but it's not. It's not. But that would be funny.
So are they young over there? If it's this guy's brother? Is Carlos' brother?
Yeah, so I guess
Is
he's
he younger? A younger brother, I guess?
40s, I would think.
Maybe he's got kids that are just taking over the place. Like.